Today we're making kettle corn. It's sweet, salty, crunchy, and way too easy to accidentally eat the whole batch. Start with a big pot and a little oil, something neutral like canola or vegetable. Heat it to medium. Add a half a cup of popcorn kernels to the pot. Next, add a quarter cup of sugar. Place the lid on the pot and stir it up quickly to coat the kernels in the oil. You want to keep shaking the pot to keep the sugar from burning.
Oh, there goes one.
Once the popping slows down to about 2 seconds between pops, turn off the heat. Dump it all into a bowl or pan, and then hit it with a pinch of salt while it's still hot. And that's it. Homemade kettle corn in under 10 minutes.